Peace be upon you all. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Daisy. I'm a teacher at one of public senior high schools in Surabaya. Born, having an education and getting a job in Surabaya makes me realize how unique Surabaya is. Do you know the uniqueness of Surabaya? Besides bearing the title as the City of Heroes, which is full of historical atmosphere, Surabaya is also known as a multicultural city. Let me introduce you one of the cultures in Surabaya. It is the culture that is inherited from generation to generation. The unity among diversity. Since the royal era, the colonial era, until the post-independence era, Surabaya has always played a role as a port city. No wonder that many migrants from other regions or countries stop by and even stayed in Surabaya. In other words, since ancient times until now, the people of Surabaya are already accustomed to the diversity of population. Here, in Surabaya, we can find people from different religious backgrounds as well as ethnicity who live side by side in peace. With a population of around 3 million sober people in 2017, Surabaya is developing as a metropolitan city. The strategic position of Surabaya as the center of community economic activity makes it always a dynamic city. Being the center of activity is the same as being a place to wander from people from various regions. The number of residents will obviously increase, along with the charm of Surabaya, which promises all kinds of convenience. The city of Surabaya must remain a safe and comfortable home for its residents. About religion, Surabaya is one of the earliest centers for the spread of Islam in Java and is the base of the Nahdlatul Ulama community. Ampel Mosque was founded in the 15th century by Sunan Ampel, one of Wali Songo's figures. Apart from Islam, other religions followed by some of the population are Christianity, Catholicism, Hinduism, Buddhism, and Confucianism. Although Islam is the majority in Surabaya, interreligious harmony to respect, appreciate, and cooperate with each other is very well maintained. From an early age, children are taught how to worship properly, including at school through religious and moral education subjects. Children are also taught to respect and appreciate each other between followers of different religions. Another proof of the unity in Surabaya is the buildings used as places of worship. As the 6 religions recognized in Indonesia are Hinduism, Buddhism, Islam, Catholicism, Christianity, and Confucianism, so is the portrait of the house of worship in the Royal Resident Housing Complex in West Surabaya. Mosques, monasteries, Catholic churches, Christian churches, temples, and pagodas are lined up without any partition and fences separating them. The addition to reflecting harmony, the architectural peculiarities of each adjoining house of worship also make it look beautiful and colorful. previous exposure, we have got very valuable moral lesson. When we are willing to receive diversity with openness, there will be a strong unity. Let's come. You can spend your holiday in Surabaya, the city that will greet you with warm hospitality. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy this video.